to 70,000 fishes are dead, 2 sewage inlets, religious waste, etc., a water hyacinth on top. And now the water quality is at drinking water standards, not just 10, 12 parameters. All the 35 to 40 parameters are within drinking water standards. We also rejuvenated Pipriana Lake about 2 years back using funds from Amrit, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. We've rejuvenated Hawaz Shamsi Lake about a year back using CSR funds. So this is what we do. And recently we made a very cool new product called a floating lotus solar aerator. So we saw a gap in the market that solar aerators aren't really available. So we made a solar aerator and we decided to float the solar panels as well and arrange them in the form of a lotus to do beautification along with it. So no more recurring electricity bills, no more theft of cables or motors from the lake, and beautification simultaneously. So this is what we do. And we are a product company. So let's say when you are rejuvenating a lake, you might need to pick up garbage, you might need to make a boundary wall around the lake, desilt it, make the bunds better, plants and trees, install walkway benches, lights, right? All of these basic civil works, earthworks, services is something any individual, any NGO, any contractor can do, right? But despite having done all of this, you'll still need to improve the water quality, right? That's where we come in with our product. So effectively, we are a product company